Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. First of all, we will start our class from our previous homework that I was given to you. First question is, what is a canal? A canal is an artificial channel of water. Which type of channel, beta? Artificial channel of water. It is constructed to take water. Why it is constructed? It is constructed to take water from one area to another. One area to another for the purpose of drinking, irrigation or a food control measure. Or a food control measure. And next question is, what is a waterfall? A waterfall is a place where flowing water rapidly drops. Flowing water rapidly drops from an elevation as it flows over a steep region or a cliff. Next is tick the correct options. First one is, what is also called a tableland? What is also called a tableland? Answer will be plateau. The Deccan Plateau in India contains which type of soil? Black soil. Yes, student. Black soil is good for cotton crops. So it's all about our previous homework. Let's start today's topic. Dear student, you can see here is the new lesson for you. So we will start the lesson. The lesson name is Earth's Neighbours. Yes, student. Earth, all you know, Earth is a planet on which we are living, and other word is neighbors. Neighbors means the things which are near to us. The things which are near to us. As we have neighbor, in the same way, Earth has also neighbors. So, in this lesson, we will discuss about the neighbors of the Earth. Who are the neighbors of Earth? The neighbors of Earth are the sun, the moon, and the stars. All we can see. We saw all these neighbors of the Earth in daily life. So, today we will study about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Are you ready? So, see, first one is sun. Dear student, the sun is the center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is in the center of the solar system, as in your family your grandfather or your father is the center of the family. In the same way, universe have also a family. In universe, in the center there is sun, and 8 members of the sun family are known as planet. 8 planets of the sun of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gases. All we know that sun is very hot. All we know, sun is very hot. It is hot ball shape. We cannot see directly towards the sun because the sun have hotness. Sun's lights are very hot. It is many times bigger than the earth. The sun is many times bigger than the earth. So all the planets move around the sun. As we, if you have any need, you ask to whom? Either your grandfather, grandmother, or your father or mother. In the same way, sun, all the planets move around the sun. All planets move around the sun. Next is beta, we have some uses of the sun. We have some uses of the sun in our daily life. We use sunlight directly or indirectly. Let's see what are the uses of sun. It is important because it gives us heat and light. It gives us heat and light. Think about, if there is no light on the earth, day and night will be the same. Day and night will be the same because there is no sun. If we suppose there is no sunlight on the earth. Plants need sunlight to make their food. Yes, student? Plant needs sunlight to make their food. If we are going to cook our food, there is need of heat. There is need of heat as fuel. That fuel may be LPG cylinder, wood, coal, kerosene oil. In the same way, plant have also need of fuel. Its fuel is sunlight. Plants need sunlight to make their food. The sun is an important source of energy. When we talk about energy, power, the first and one thing is known for energy and power, that is sun. So sun is very useful to us. Now see the second neighbor of the earth, the moon. Yes, student? The moon. The moon is around like the sun. The moon is round like the sun. It is the closest neighbor of the earth. It is closest neighbor of the earth because earth have a planet, earth have a satellite that is called natural satellite. Earth's natural satellite is called moon. It is the closest neighbor of the earth. It is much smaller in size than the sun. It is much smaller than the size of the sun. Looks big because it closer to earth. Sun looks big because it is closer to the earth. Dear student, if we are close to anything, the things will be appear big and large. In the same way, moon looks big because it closer to the earth than the sun. That means sun is far from us and the moon is near to us. The moon has no light of its own. Yes, student? The moon has no lights of its own. Moon have not its own light. It takes light from the sun. Water is discovered on the moon in September 2009. in September 2009, the water is discovered on the moon, but there is no air. So, we can say that life is not possible on the moon because for life, two things are main, that is water and air. On the moon, there is water that is discovered, but there is no air. So, life is not possible on the moon in the absence of air. No life on the moon. And next, our Earth's neighbor is stars. When there is dark night, when sunset, in open sky we can see large number of stars, large number of body which is lightning, numerous stars in the night sky. They have their own heat and light. Stars have their own heat and light. Some stars make patterns in the sky. Some stars make pattern. Pattern means beta a special design, just like this. Some stars makes a pattern. Such types of stars are totally different from other stars because they make a pattern. So, such groups of the stars forming a pattern are called constellation. Such types of stars are called constellations, and here are some constellations: Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Scorpius, Leon, that is the lion. So you can see here the Earth's neighbor. I hope you understand the topic. If not, just read it again and again. Then you can understand. Now the time is for homework. First question is describe the sun. Describe the sun. Second is describe the moon. Describe the moon. And third is name some constellations. In this you have to give the name of some constellations. So it's here I conclude my class. Have a good day.